और बहुत अच्छी बात है कि दिल साफ हो और मेहनत तगड़ी हो तो फिर तो मुकाम मिल ही जाता है। जिम, आपसे मैं चाहूंगी आप हिंदी में बोलें थोड़ा सा, जितनी आती है। क्या
बहुत आती है, आप पुणे हाईवे देखेगा।
क्योंकि हमने जितना भी आपको परफॉर्म करते देखा है हिंदी में और क्लिष्ट हिंदी में भी देखा है, चाहे वो नीरजा में हो या फिर पद्मावत में हो, थोड़ा थोड़ा इंग्लिश में चलिए बात कर लेते हैं। हाँ, ओके। आई वांट टू आस्क कि जब छोटे किरदार होते हैं फिल्मों में, ओटीटी में भी, और उनका बड़ा असर होता है समाज में, बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होता है, स्मॉल रोल्स हैविंग बिग इम्पैक्ट ऑन द सोसाइटी, तो क्या चैलेंज बढ़ जाता है कि उसी स्मॉल रोल में आपको करके दिखा देना है, वो रजिस्टर करके परफॉर्मेंस दिखा देना है?
I think that I've played all kinds of roles, sometimes small, sometimes large. I think it just depends on the vision of the director and of the producer and of the writer. And that a small role can have an impact or a large role can have an impact, but it all just depends on how the person has put this together and what impact the director eventually wants for this thing to create. So I have to say I don't completely understand your question.
You're saying the fact that the length of the role doesn't really matter, basically.
नहीं, does it matter कि अगर if you're conducting with the small roles and it is a big impact on the society, जैसे नीरजा में आपने एक आतंकवादी का रोल किया,
Yeah, but it wasn't a small role.
But it had registered in the society कि कौन है जिम.
May I answer this?
जी.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Please.
So I think what I understand of this question, we as artists, we as actors, to be honest, don't think that this is a small role or this is a big role. When we are offered a part, होश और हवास में, we listen to a story and we decide, as an actor, कुछ हमारे अंदर होता है. There's something that shakes us and we say, you know what, I'm up for this challenge.
You have to do it.
And the impact part, what you're saying is correct. When we do it nicely, and like how Jim said, everything falls in place, the director, the producer, the storytelling, everything falls in place, that role, not the small role, that role has an impact. That shows that the audience has a pulse. When they are watching a film, they're not watching a big role or a small role. In fact, I will give a small example, which is a big example. I did a movie called Super 30,
Right.
which was a film, there was a, let's talk about small and big. It had a big superstar, Mr. Hrithik Roshan. I had a small role where...
Actually, I think even setting up the question as something of small and versus big is not looking at the overall structure of how a movie is made. A movie has many moving parts, and each of those parts ideally contributes to the overall effect of the film upon an audience. Right? So constantly making a discrepancy between what is small, what is big is actually continuing to create and allow and support and foster and fuel a kind of hierarchy which is absolutely unnecessary and doesn't need to be there for even 1 second.
Yeah.
All of the crew members, everybody involved in making a film is extremely, extremely crucial and important. So structuring a question like that itself, it already kind of, I would say, gets under my skin to a certain extent. And so then I don't understand the thinking behind a question like that in general. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like structuring and creating this versus and a hierarchy, it's just absolutely unnecessary. Sometimes you play a big role, sometimes you play a small role. And if more people did ensemble roles and brought the power of their acting ability to power the film in general, we would be in a much better space film-wise.